Hello everyone, today I will show you how to upgrade your Gourd in Black Myth Wukong. To upgrade your Gourd, you will need to find a specific merchant that allows you to upgrade it. You will need to navigate to the Marsh of the White Mist. I'm already here, but it's in the Bamboo Grove. It's the last location, right here. After traveling here, you'll meet a new merchant right here, and upon talking with him, you'll be able to upgrade your gourd by consuming the fragrant vines and upgrade material that grows on trees. It's bright yellow flowers on a vine. It's quite noticeable, easy to find. And also you can upgrade your drinks. As you can see, you need an awakened wireworm to upgrade them, and each drink has different effects, but the coconut wine, the basic drink, lets you restore more maximum health upon drinking. Also, the merchant also provides a store in which you can buy the Celestial Lotus Seeds, your second available soak, and you of course can sell your gold to him if you so choose. And that's it. Alright, thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.